You wanna play your game? Yeah? Okay. Wait. There's a toy, we're gonna hide it. See, she can't see us anymore. She's behind that tree. Where should we hide it? I don't know where to hide it. Let's hide under this mat right here. It's under there. Come find it, Casey. Oh, where is it? Search. Casey, where's your toy? Gotta be around here somewhere. What do you got there, huh? What do you got? Where's your toy? Oh, is that it? Hang on, is it here? Oh, there's your toy. Alright, go get it. Oh, good girl, Casey. Good girl.